In today's class, you will learn about a person called Benjamin Jones. Who is this Benjamin Jones? Well, Benjamin Jones was a person who participated in a swimming competition even though he was not a good swimmer, and he won the race. Benjamin Jones told his wife that he would compete in the free-for-all swimming competition on the 4th of July. He was sure about winning the competition. His wife was not confident about it. She thought it was a foolish decision because Benjamin had not gone for swimming in many years. She was sure that he would be the last because other competitors would swim faster than him. Then she would be ashamed of his failure. On the day of the competition, which was on 4th of July, a group of swimmers were ready for the competition. The contest began. Benjamin was overtaken by swimmers on the left and right. Benji was swimming so slow that a crab saw his toe and wanted to bite it. Benji saw the crab moving towards his toe. He got frightened that his toe will be in the claws of the crab unless he swims very fast. He started swimming fast, as if he was a professional swimmer. He overtook all the swimmers to escape from the crab. His wife, who saw this, could not believe it. The shock of her husband winning the race was so great that she fell into the lake with a splash. This poem teaches us that if we make up our mind to do something, then nothing can stop us. Thank you for watching this video, students. Now, please read the poem again and feel free to send me questions on WhatsApp if you have doubts. Thank you. Have a nice day.